Ambu m onye Igbo, onye Anambra. Onye ọzọ obodo.
Taa.
Yotago. Mba mbụ onye ọzọ obodo. Onye ezigbote onye ọzọ obodo.
TV. I know most of you guys already see this video of this guy trading since yesterday. This Chinese guy speaking Igbo like I never see before. Please share this video. It's good to be proud of your language. It's very, very good to be proud of your language. Watch this video now at the end and give result by yourself.
Hello everybody, my name is Emmanuel Chibike. And my dad's name is Tony. My mom's name is Sherry. And I'm from Nigeria, half Nigerian, half Chinese. Yeah.
So your dad is from where in Anambra in Nigeria?
Ozobolo.
Ozobolo. Sure, Yaram. Your mom is from where?
China, Guangzhou.
China, Guangzhou. You know, China, Guangzhou. So where are we now?
We're in Guangzhou right now.
Yeah, Guangzhou right now. In Ania. So okay, now if you know everything you said in English, I want you to repeat it with Chinese, so people will know that you are half Chinese, half Nigerian.
Okay. 大家好，我的名字叫 Emmanuel Chibike， 我是一半非洲人和一半中国人，然后我老爸来自尼日利亚，我老妈来自中国，谢谢。
Anyway, I don't even push. I'm gonna try to make a little So now, I told Muka, Egwande Mado, he will put that same thing equal. He repeat. In fact, if you want to add anything, you can say whatever you want to say in Igbo language. Call it Kakuzil. I talk Egwande Mado, Afagi Nibo, Afam Pagi Nibo, only Ben Pagibu Nibo. You could see Enya, Imari feature Kawalanya about Anibo. The floor is yours.
Ambu m onye Igbo, onye Anambra. Onye ọzọ obodo.
Taa.
Yotago. Mba mbụ onye ọzọ obodo. Onye ezigbote onye ọzọ obodo. Ọ bụ ife na-aghọta. Ezigbo onye ọzọ obodo.
Taa.
Ọ bụrụ na ọ nwere ife na-aghọta, ịghọta wee kịta.
Ọ bụ ife na-aghọta.
Then mma mbụ onye obodo.
Ezigbo onye obodo China na.
Onye Guangzhou. You get it. If you don't get it, forget about it.
Forget about it. Ị na-anụ ya? So okay, if you mega sick, like what do you normally? What's your hobby like? What you like doing and what you like to be in future?
Right now I'm
now tell me any book.
Okay. Oh, I'm a online influencer and yeah, online influencer.
Okay, tell me about an influencer, yes. Like an artist.
Yes.
Wow.
Like
wow.
a one.
Like a mua.
Yes.
Hey, like mamu.
I'm gonna. Oh yeah. Oh na maga. Oh na maga.
But no for the money na say na mama ko na be dey ewu ko.
Ga na class. Oh na maga. Abi va na ko. Oh we na wata do.
Oh we na wata agba mojo so bele kan na wata.
Yes.
Anyway, hello viewers, una anu gi yoku na. From what this guy just said, onya the proud Igbo onye Igbo.
Confirm.
Igbo nke abụrụ mụ na onye enwego communicate ọ na-ekwu okwu si onye a na-ekwu ife a ị na-anya ifu na Igbo ya adịrọ ka Igbo onye n'obodo Igbo dị ka onye mụ na ya si n'ebe ọ na-akwụkwọ gị ọ na-apịakwa gị ya wute ole ba ọpụ iwe ka ba akwụsị na briji onye ọbụla azọba isi onwe ya ba isi aja ị na-anụ ya ọ ga-asịkwa Igbo nke ka Igbo nke ndị na-ezo ezo nwanne. My brother, my prayer is that I'm very happy to meet you. I've been very happy when I gave me.
Thank you.
And once in a lifetime, on the unpredicted happens.
Yeah.
Something we never predicted will happen.
Yeah.
And I believe that one day, not one day, I will still come back to China.
Sure.
We have a long way to go and we still have a lot to do.
Yes.
Once again, I try to have forget. Because some people yellow forget. Oh yeah, but one day, it is popular. As soon as so go have if you have a word of advice or anything you want to tell Nigerians, just tell them.
Again, Emmanuel.
Share this video.
Confirm.
Yotago. And I'm very happy to meet the executive. I'm a very big fan of his for a long time. Yotago. So, one thing they have cars no, but I want to call Mutibo.
They have cast. Kabana Alomutibo. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. All the best. Meet you at the top.
All right.
You go far.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Right.
asụsụ na sọọsụ oyibo
Ka ọ wee ife ị na-aghọta.
na-akụziri nwa gị Igbo ka ọ nwee